Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. I'm here at Clark Preserve. If all goes well, we're going to be making some Paw Paw Bread by the end of the day. Let's go.
Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw patch. Come on, boys, let's go find her. Come on, boys, let's go find her. Come on, boys, let's go find her. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw patch. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw patch. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw patch. Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Where, oh, where is sweet little Nellie? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw patch.
So we are looking for some round green fruit. The skin looks a lot like this, but these are black walnuts. I have enough of those in my backyard. So we're down in a little valley here. It's a combination of the blue Ralph Goodnow Trail and the orange Conestoga Trail. So I'm just a few feet off trail and I'm standing under giant trees here. You can see the big leaves. I believe this is one here, so you know it's big as my hand. I saw one down here on the ground that was stepped on, but you know, I'm not seeing a lot. Looking up, I'm not even seeing them on the plants. Wonder if I missed out. A couple more on the trail. I've got them here, but you know, I'm not gonna eat them if they're like super black on that side. It means it's been sitting here for a while. There's another one over here. A couple here, they look like they've been down for a while. Yeah, honestly, with how brown some of these leaves are here, I'm gonna say I missed the season. Darn it. At least here. The ones I see on the ground in places are pretty beat, very brown, sitting there for a while. Yeah, so many trees here, I don't even see a single one up in the trees. Darn it. Well, I think I have a plan B at home. Yeah, it's just very much empty. I've seen people in the last 2 weeks online there, you know, finding them and using the fruits. Well, we're gonna have some coffee, take another look when we come down. Maybe the other side of the trail here. For what it's worth, tons of acorns. Beautiful out here. Out in the woods, I can hear lots of creatures out there. Like I have lots of steps and twig breaks and birds. So many birds right here. It's one of my favorite spots to just come have that morning coffee, think about the day. Daughter's got a big volleyball game at Ephrata tonight. My son starts hockey tonight. It's gonna be a busy day, but you know what? Not right now. Cheers. I hope you heard that. Is a woodpecker is bringing the bass. Like it is thundering through here. I'm not sure if that's just because of the kind of tree that it's pecking or the size of the bird. I have no idea, but it is like bringing the bass. All right, so I'm down here in the patch again. I'll probably walk on the other side of the trail a little bit here, see if I can find anything. But as I said, I've got a plan B at home. It's an awesome plan, way overdue plan. But yeah, we're gonna make some Paw Paw bread today, no matter what. Back towards House Rock, there's a very slow, methodical woodpecker. And then there he goes. Every once in a while, he brings the thunder. Sometimes hikes don't go as planned. And you know, when you're out foraging for stuff, I mean, man, so many factors on whether they're gonna be around or not, but got fruits down there. There's plenty on the ground, but they just look like they've been here for a while. So I'm gonna say I missed it by about 2 weeks or so. So I think I'm gonna take, instead of going up to the right here, I'm going to go left. Take the Conestoga Trail up to a place in Clark Preserve that has been recently rebuilt and refurbished. It's an ADA accessible trail on top of the bluff there over the river. So never really seen any of that. So I'm just going to pop up this way and then we can merge with that trail and find that. So we came up a little connector trail which connects Conestoga Trail to this beautiful kind of meadow trail here. These flowers. The trail splits off here. This is another connector leading back to Conestoga Trail. It is a very short distance down there on the Conestoga Trail to the top of Wind Cave. We have been there. So maybe that base was the downy woodpecker, I don't know, but this is a really good board here that's near the parking lot. It tells you what to look for in the summer, spring, summer, winter, and fall. So fall, of course, look for the pawpaw fruits. Tried. Peregrine falcons. I did see a turkey vulture fly overhead. And goldenrod, which, yeah, straight out here, actually. All right, we're here in the Hiker Dude Dad kitchen. Time to make some Paw Paw bread. First, we've got a cup and a half of Paw Paw Purée, courtesy of Cole Swanger. He gave this to me a year ago, and it's been in my freezer ever since. So this is ready to go now. It's a lifesaver since I couldn't find any today. A third cup of butter, hopefully softened enough. A cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of tepid water, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm leaving out the optional 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, but you can add that if you'd like. A teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we're going to beat the butter and sugar together. our butter and sugar is beaten. Mad Taco is here. She's trying to study anatomy, and I keep calling her over because she is way better baker than I am. Keep asking for advice, but it's time to beat the eggs in. So get this going. Toss these guys in. Next we'll throw in the water. And the fruit. Got some flour. I feel like it's going to kick it all over the place if I just do it while it's going. Lighter salt, baking powder, baking soda. Finish off the flour. Flour off the sides. And it looks like a very liquidy dough. Pour this into the pan now. All right, ready to go in the oven. An hour and 15 minutes. We'll go 75. Hour and 15. Also, I just want to say to no one in particular that it's awesome if you clean as you go. I just put the Paw Paw bread in the oven and everything is all cleaned up already because I cleaned as I go. Just want to say that to no one in particular. All right, go check this out. Looks baked. We're gonna go stick a toothpick in it, see if it's ready.
Six hours later.
Okay, so I'm finally back home after a busy day. Told you it was going to be busy. 5-set victory for the Blue Streaks over Ephrata tonight. Mad Taco was awesome. Time to try this Paw Paw Bread though. Look at that. On the way back, I even stopped at Cherry Hill Orchard. 'Tis the season. Got some cider. Let's give it a shot. Right off the bat, very much like banana bread. It's a little dry, but good flavor. Good flavor. You can definitely tell it's different than banana bread. And yeah, not bad. I would definitely work to refine this a little bit. I did the recommended cooking time, so maybe just a touch less. Next time, I think it was an hour and 15 minutes at 350, I think. So seemed like a long time, but yeah, I might back off and see how it is. My first toothpick test was, it passed. Not bad at all, though. Success. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe, ring that bell for more. Halloween is coming very soon, and I have huge plans. You're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Good night.
Picking up pawpaws, put 'em in your pocket, way down yonder in the pawpaw patch.